1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0.
So hello guys, in this video I will tell you what is ChatGPT and how to use ChatGPT and how to sign up ChatGPT in mobile. So without wasting any time, let's begin. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot system which is based on an AI interface. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence and GPT stands for Generative Pretending Transformer. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that can create content, images, and even code on demand via conversation with a chatbot. Now I will show you how to sign up ChatGPT in mobile. First of all, open Google Chrome application. After that, here you search for ChatGPT. If you haven't subscribed this channel, then subscribe to it and press the bell icon to get notification of new videos. Then here you click on this website, openai.com at the top. After that, here you click on three dots at the top right corner. Then click on desktop site. After that, here you click on try ChatGPT button. Then click on sign up button. After that, here you enter your email ID. So let me do it. Here you can continue Google or Microsoft account. After entering your email ID, then click on continue. Then here you enter a password to create ChatGPT. So let me do it. After entering your password, then click on continue. Then you will get a verified email to your email ID. So here you go back to open Gmail and open Gmail application. After that, here you click on that email which is sent by OpenAI. Then here you click on verify email address. Now you can see that my email has been verified. After verified your email, then you return to the browser where you begin sign up. Then here you just refresh the page. After that, here you type your first name. So let me do it. Then here you type your last name. After that, click on continue. Then here you enter your phone number. After that, if this mobile number is a WhatsApp number, then click on yes, otherwise no. Then click on send code via SMS. After that, you will get an OTP on your mobile number. Just enter that OTP from here. After that, click on next button. Then again click on next. After that, click on done button. Now your sign up process has been successfully. Now you can work and use ChatGPT. Here you can ask any questions and you will get the appropriate answers for those questions. So as an example, here I will ask how to make thumbnail. and then you can see that I have got the appropriate answer for my questions. So by this process you can easily sign up and use ChatGPT. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.